Hey there, welcome to MilesR&Beats, where my beats hit the streets. Nothing ever stolen, but my beats keep on rolling. Got something for you here today that I know you're going to like. It's a little old school, but let's jump right into it. Okay, let's start out with the drums. As you know, if you've been following me, you'll know that I use a double set of drums. I like to duplicate my drum tracks to make them come out more powerful. And in this song, they are very powerful. I did some work on this drum track and came out with something really nice. I'm very proud of it. I love it. It's very powerful. Sounds great with the song. The song's a little old school. For those of you who've been listening to the rap for a long time, you will definitely understand what's going on here. But let me let you hear this this drum track. It's really cool. Okay, we have here the Dr. Octo Rex. This is also a drum machine, but I went through it when I did the drum track on this song, and I went through a lot of it. It's got a lot of different drum beats, and they are so much different than what I would normally do, and that's what makes them so great. So what I did is it took me a long time to go through each one. And as you go through them, it will play along with your drums. And some sound good, some don't. You have to figure out which one sounds best with your drums. It enhances what you already done. So as I gone through them, I could not find any drum beat that went well with my drum beat. But as I kept going, I found something else in here that I didn't even know was there. So this is what I put with my drum beat, and it sounds great. So as you hear that came from Dr. Octo Rex, and I didn't even know it was there. I was going through them and I found that. It has a couple different ones like that, and I just took which ones I liked and mixed it in with my song, and it gave me a great rhythm to go with my drums, and they go together beautifully. So what I found here in Thor, I was trying to figure out what I can make this song into. So what I did was, going through all of the sounds, what I found is a telephone ring. So I said, I have an idea. This goes back to the 80s and 90s. I'm going to put a telephone ring in this song. This song only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tracks. And there's only a couple more tracks, but this telephone ring is significant to the song, and I threw it in there, and I'll let you hear the ring, and then I'm going to move on to the next track, and I'll show you what I did with that telephone ring. But here it goes. And on my next track, I hope you did like that telephone ring. As you will hear, it comes in pretty handy because I had a vocal track I put in here that went along with that telephone ring. And then the next track, I put a little bit of a hook on what I'm saying here. So I'll let you hear how this came out. I hope you like this. Check this out. So I hope you like that. I answered the phone on my track there. So it came out pretty nice, I thought, and I hope you like it too. So on the last track, I just added a hook onto it and a little seventh lead. This is called a flying seventh lead from the Thor machine here. I love this thing. This thing has a lot of nice sounds in it too. So it went great for what I'm doing. So I'll let you hear the whole song so you can see how this sounds. Check it out. So there you go. That's my beat for this week. My beats are not stolen, they just keep on rolling. I'll be coming out with something every week. So stay tuned for next week. I'll have something new for you. If you like it, give me the double thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Come on back. I got a lot more to show you. I hope you got something from this segment. I'm sure you're going to get something from the next one. Just keep coming, because I'll be here. I'll see you next week.